Hello friends, my today topic is case condition in MySQL. What is case condition and how to use it in MySQL? This is the topic of today's video. So, if you have to use multiple nested if statement for checking some condition is different, there is a better approach in MySQL which is called case statement. If we are using nested if in C, Java, then there is a different approach for the same particular case in MySQL by using case condition. So here again, you will check some conditions and then give an output. If condition is true, there are some conditions. Condition this, then result this. Condition 2, result this. Condition n, result n. If any of the condition not satisfied, then there will be a different result, else statement, which is a default value after else statement. So how and we write all these condition, different condition in MySQL. We we write it down by using case keyword. So how to write it? Case when condition 1 then result 1, when condition 2 then result 2, when condition n then result n, else result n. Quite different. So this method accept two parameter as given, condition 1, condition 2, condition n, and then specified condition, which are determined in the order they are stated. Now suppose you are in a school and have to follow a set timetable according to which you need to bring the textbooks of certain subjects on certain days to class, then consider the timetable. Now suppose there is a Monday, we need to bring the textbook of English and Hindi. Tuesday, we have to bring English and Maths. Wednesday, Science and Social Science. Thursday, Maths and Social Science. And Friday, Hindi and Science. Then, if Monday, when day is equal to Monday, then textbook is equal to this. When day is equal to this, then textbook is equal to this. So, this is the way of writing by using case statement. Then what are the syntax and how to write it down the different conditions. So the timetable which I have shown you for different days of a school is a basic example where you can determine the subjects that you would be studying in class on certain days by just looking at the list. However, the data around us in industries or around us is very enormous and complex. They may have various conditions that you may need to set and many actions to be performed according to each of the conditions. So, how to write it down? First, write down keyword case. This is the keyword. Then, when, this is also keyword. When condition 1, then we will use then keyword result 1. When condition 2, then result 2. When condition n, result n. Else, if any of the condition is not as satisfied, then result will be this. And it will be saved as a column name. If condition 1 is false, then condition 2, then you will provide condition 2. And if the condition 2 will be true, then result will be this and it will be saved as name as. If condition 2 is not satisfied, we will condition 2, we will come to the condition and then we'll check the result. If condition is true, then the result will be this. If this is also not true, then result. If any of the condition is not true, then result will be this. And it will be saved as a column name. You specify it here. So now we will jump to the MySQL workbench and we will see and understand some practical examples where we have taken the example of profit. At which category, what should be the profit? So we have to just get the information about the profit values which are present in market factful. Okay, so I will quickly fetch the information from market factful. Before going to the query, I will want to make a statement clear that if profit is less than or greater than uh, to minus 500, then there is a huge losses. If profit is in the range of minus 500 to 0, then these are bearable losses. If profit is 0 to 500, then decent profit. If greater than 500, then it's a great profit. We have to fetch the result. What are the profit in our market factful, or in any table you want to fetch the data. So we want to fetch that from a table on different condition. If condition this, then there should be result this. If condition this, result should be this. If condition is this, then result should be this. Okay, so now we will go to the case statement. How to use case? Case is a statement. See what we want to fetch. We want to fetch market fact ID profit from a table. So select market fact ID profit. We will put here case, and we will write the condition what we want to write. When profit is equal to or greater than minus 500, then it's a huge loss. If profit is between, we will use between keyword here, minus 500 and 0, then put it as bearable losses. When profit between 0 to this, then this is decent profit. Else if it's more than, what will be the condition? If it's more than, or else it's a great profit. And as profit type, save all the condition of the column, all the condition of the result as profit type. So in the result, this will show as the column alias, which name is profit type. See the beauty of MySQL. It's looking like we are putting here sentences. This is even not looking like as some programming language. From which the table name? From market factful. Okay, so we have put in some conditions and we are fetching data about profit and market fact ID. So let me run this, then we will see the result. See, if the profit is more than 500, it's a great profit. See here. If profit is between 0 to minus 500, it's bearable loss. See, if it's between to 0 to 500, it's a decent profit. See, so we can see the different result on the conditions we have specified here. Great profit, decent profit, bearable loss. Okay, so this is the beauty of case. By using case keyword, we can write the query, or we can write the sentences, or we can put the query of MySQL as we use in the nested if. Means we can we can write for different if else conditions. It's quite easy. If you go through all this, you will feel it's quite easy to see, to write it down and to use this for different conditions and give them names for different values like decent profit, great profit, bearable profit. So it's too much readable here. Okay. I hope you got the use of case, how to use case in MySQL for different conditions. Okay, please friends like and subscribe my channel if you really like. Thank you.